Well, there are many headlines driving this market. Let's bring in Dan Deming of KKM Financial. And Dan, what are your top three to watch this week?
Well, certainly the storyline surrounding the president, the first lady, is going to be a storyline that's going to continue to be a big part of the weekly action, I believe, Angie. But also ISM non-manufacturing, since the U.S. is primarily a non-manufacturing economic structure. That's coming out here earlier this week. Also FOMC minutes, that's another thing as well. So those are the items I think that are going to be the big items this week.
What do you think about that stock market reaction to the president's positive COVID results and the disappointing jobs report? Are you surprised at all?
Yes, but not really. So I think, it's interesting to see how the market's going to handle that. Certainly there was very great concerns last week, Angie, initially, but, so it's going to be something that the market's going to feed off of one way or the other. I can tell you, though, when you look at how the market price action is developing, at least it appears that we're seeing this rotation that you and I have talked about for the last several weeks continuing, as we're seeing, again, some of these industrial names still picking up steam relative to some of the tech names and some of the higher flyers. So I'm still seeing that rotation taking place underneath the surface of the market, Angie.
When you say industrials, what exactly do you watch as a pro trader?
So like the XLI, or another one would be the transportation area as well. So something like the IYT, these are ETFs that are based off of either the industrials and or the transportations. But we're seeing those names within those different sectors certainly coming to the fore here currently, with like a FedEx or UPS in the transportation area. The industrial side, we're seeing some names picking up some steam, and even the airlines looking like they're trying to fight back here relative to some of the other areas. So, overall, Angie, it just you see this kind of value hunting going on as this market's digesting some of these news items.
Well, thank you as always, Dan, for your Trader Talk.
All right, thanks, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.